Right, and here is a quiz that goes with the health and safety specifications, okay? So I'm not going to take too long on this, okay? I'm just going to make sure that you can see it. Now, I suggest strongly that you complete the questions, okay? And it's in the health and safety elements. Okay, so I'm not going to, okay? Now, it's in your interest to answer these questions. It helps you and it prepares you for the online test. Now, before I go to the answers, now, what I've done also here, I've given you the answers, okay? So let me just go back a bit and make sure that I can work my way down slowly. Okay? Let me just make sure we started from the top, yes. Okay, you can know well down, okay. Now I'm going to give you the answers to these at the end, but try answering the questions first before you look at the answers, okay? It is in your interest. And here are the answers, okay? Okay, thank you, good. I hope you found this useful. Let me just go back, make sure that I can get it all in, okay? Okay, good. Good, thank you. Have a good day, bye-bye. Oh, sorry about that.